Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating the Firebase project and enabling Firestore. This gives you the backend endpoint. Once done, install the Firebase SDK in your React app and add config keys to env, local so you don't leak credentials. Next, initialize the Firebase app with initialize app and call get Firestore to get a Firestore instance. This is the connection object you'll use throughout. Make sure rules are permissive for development, then lock them down before production. Now wire Firestore into React by creating a single Firebase JS that exports a DB singleton. This prevents multiple initializations. Once exported, wrap your app with a context provider or build custom hooks like Use Collection and Use Doc to centralize queries and mutations. Use the modular SDK API. Import get docs, doc, set doc, so bundlers can tree shake unused code. This approach keeps components focused. They just finish by implementing reads and writes. Use on snapshot for real-time UI updates and get doc/getdoc for one-time fetches. This matches performance needs. For writes, prefer set doc or update doc, and use write batch or run transaction when multiple documents require atomicity. Once implemented, test Firestore security rules and simulate permission errors so you can surface friendly messages. If something breaks, check console logs, confirm the Firebase config and rules, and verify your SDK versions match the modular API. You'll usually find the issue there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.